From the University of Florida Weather Center, I'm Jeff Hoffman, tracking what could be our next named tropical storm. It's a strong wave that came off the west coast of Africa late Monday. Hurricane Center calling it 98L. There it is. Lots of convection or thunderstorm activity near it. And we have an area of lower pressure trying to develop. There's a medium chance, according to the National Hurricane Center, it could develop. There is a brief opportunity for development through Wednesday. Then conditions become unfavorable in the central Atlantic. Nonetheless, here's your first look at the potential tracks of this system. Nothing unusual here through the western to the west-northwest to the central Atlantic. Timing here is possibly getting close to the Leeward Islands on Friday, but that's a big if at this point. We have got a large area of surface high pressure keeping thunderstorms from developing across much of the central Atlantic. Something else it's done is it's pulled in a lot of dry air. Look at all that brown ahead of the system. So a lot of dry air could get ingested into this. Future track, one of our forecast models, showing closed circles there indicating an area of lower pressure that's likely going to be a depression or a storm if this model verifies. That would be Wednesday morning. But then watch, those closed lines go away. In fact, this model is showing that the wave kind of dampens out as it moves into the central Atlantic. That could be because of dry air or also wind shear. This is the same model, and I've circled it in yellow, orange, and red, the low, medium, and high amounts of wind shear and high amounts of wind shear developing on this system late Wednesday into Thursday. So that could likely prevent it from strengthening or possibly cause it to dissipate altogether by the end of the week. One more negative factor, water temperatures are below 26 Celsius in that same region, so conditions are not real favorable for further strengthening or development beyond Wednesday or early Thursday. So yes, a medium chance it could develop through the middle of the week, but then conditions become less favorable in the central Atlantic. If it were to survive this region of lower favorability, it could then reemerge or re-strengthen here north of the Leeward Islands, but that is a huge if at this point. No need to worry here in the U.S. No immediate threat to any landmass, really, but of course we will always keep an eye out to the tropics.